Thanks for joining us again. Let's have a look at some problems involving right angles. So to start off, we're going to do this example here with A and B in a second. But first of all, what is a right angle? A right angle is an angle like this. It forms a perfect corner. It's actually a 90-degree angle. Okay, this is a right angle. What we have to make an angle, we have a point here, we have a ray, okay, and a line with an arrow in one direction only and another ray up here. And the angle it makes is 90 degrees. And to signify that that's 90 degrees, we usually put this little box in here, okay? Like so. So this is a right angle, okay? We can also say that this line and this line are perpendicular, or this ray and this ray are perpendicular rather. Okay, so that is a right angle. And one full revolution can be made from 4 right angles. 4 times 90 is 360. So getting into example 1 here, we have this angle here, a right angle 90 degrees here. Okay, but it's split up into x degrees and 62 degrees. And what we're doing is finding the variable, okay? And the variable is the letter, okay? The algebraic letter here. So what are we going to do? Well, these two angles here form a right triangle. They form a 90-degree angle. And we say they are complementary. And that's not to be confused with supplementary. Remember, complementary, corner, 90 degrees. Looks like a corner. Supplementary, straight, 180 degrees, a straight line. Okay, so these two angles are complementary, which means if we add them together, they make 90-degree total. So we can make an equation out of that. This equation, okay? This plus this is 90 degrees total. X degrees plus 62 degrees is 90 degrees, okay? And we just solve this real simple. We can take off all these degree symbols here. Okay, so we get X plus 62 equals 90 degrees, and you've probably all got your own way to do this. X equals, lately I've been doing it this way. 90, move the 62 over there, plus 62 becomes minus 62 on this side, and we subtract 90 minus 62. Can't do 9, 8, 1 to the 10, 8, 8 minus 6 is 2. X is 28. Okay, X is the number that goes under this degree sign here. So technically here, I can't say X is 28 degrees. X equals 28. Okay, and that's the answer for the first one. Just a simple one to warm up. The second one be getting a little harder here. Here we have 3 angles making up the 90-degree angle. Okay, so this plus this is going to be 90. In other words, this and this and this are complementary. Let's make the equation. Okay, like so. This plus this is 90. The 3 angles are complementary. Let's just get rid of these degree symbols, knock them all off, and let's rewrite the equation again. So 2y plus 5 plus 15 plus 3y equals 90. This will take a few more steps. Let's collect like terms first. 2y plus 3y is 5y. 5 plus 15 is 20, equaling 90. Okay, like I did before, 5y equals 90. And bring the 20 to the other side, it becomes minus 20. 5y equals 70. 70 divided by 5, I don't know. I'm going to get clever here. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. And watch this. I'm full of these clever little ideas, aren't I? Yes, you are, aren't you? And you're very modest too. 2 times 5y is 10y. 70 times 2 is 140. Okay, and the zeros can just cancel off. So y equals 14. Like so. Bit harder, okay, but doable. Y equals 14. How confident are you? If you wanted to check your answer, what would you do? Well, let's have a look here. We've got 15 degrees here. 3y. If y is 14, what's 3 times 14? 3 4s are 12 plus 1. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is 4. This angle here is actually 42 degrees, okay, from there to there. This one's 15. I'll do that 2-stroke thing there because this and this are different. 2y plus 5, what's that? Well, 2 times y is going to be 28, plus 5 is going to be 33. Okay, so this angle over here is 33. If we add these 3 angles, we should get 90. Let's try it for fun. 33 plus 15 plus 42. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 and 3 is 4. 5 plus 4 is 90. Looks good, okay? That's definitely right. I hope that made sense because it's now your turn. Please try example 2. So 2 examples again, a simpler one here, you've got to find A, and then a harder one here where you've got to find B, okay? You've got 3 angles making the right angle. Okay, the variable over there is B, that's 2B, B plus 5 and 28. Find A and find B. Also, check your value for B. Do the 3 angles add up to 90 as they should? Share your answers in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.